In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leave in your Outlook calendar. It's a straightforward process that will ensure your time off is clearly marked and communicated. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by navigating to the Microsoft Outlook website. If you have the Outlook app installed, feel free to open that instead. This guide works seamlessly across both platforms. Once you are on the main page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the sign in option. Go ahead and click on it. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step, but if not, simply enter your email address and password to log into your account. With that done, next, you need to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice several icons and options there, and you want to locate and click on the one labeled Calendar. This will take you to a new view where you'll be able to manage all your calendar events and activities. Now, it's time to select the date you need to set as your leave day. Click on that specific day within the calendar view. This will open a new event window where you can input details about your leave. A crucial part of this process is adding a clear and descriptive title for the entry. Something simple like annual leave or out of office can work perfectly. It communicates clearly to anyone viewing your calendar that you're not available. Next, you'll want to specify the exact date and time for your leave. You can select whether you'll be away for the entire day or just part of it. Enter the relevant details to reflect when you'll be out of the office. This precision can be especially helpful when you're coordinating with team members or working across different time zones. Now, one important consideration is to customize your status for this entry. Near the top of the event creation window, you'll see an option that defaults to busy. Click on it and you'll see an option to change it to out of office. This ensures that your status is accurately reflected to others who might be trying to schedule meetings with you. Once you've reviewed all the details and ensured everything looks good, save your changes. This will add the leave to your calendar, ensuring it's visible and transparent both to you and others who have access to your schedule. And there you have it. Your leave is now officially added to your Outlook calendar. This simple yet effective process will help you stay organized and ensure clear communication of your availability. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your digital tools. Until next time.